Hello, I'm Matt, the Disillusioned 1811, and it's Saturday, September 18th, and I'm currently hiking up a wet, muddy trail in Beacon Rock State Park, which is located near Bonneville, Washington, along the Columbia River Gorge. And last night, the much-needed rains came. We're expecting about 1.75 inches of rain out here in the Columbia Gorge today where I'm at. And so what I'm doing is, if you've been watching this channel, I've been spending basically this summer training for the Spartan Ultra World Championships, which is an obstacle course race in Telluride, Colorado. It's a 24-hour challenge, and it's going to be tough because I'm coming from like 300 feet altitude to at least minimum 8,000 feet altitude, and that's what I'm doing out here. So I got some intel on the World Championship race, and it's going to be a looped course, basically a 10K course, 10K loop with about 1,800 feet of climbing, which will mean there will be about 1,800 feet of descending. So my goal today is I mapped out about a 5-mile course out here, up and back to my vehicle. I'm going to use my vehicle as a aid station, and I'm getting 1,800 feet of climbing. So today we're in the storm, we're out testing some gear. Spartan released the mandatory equipment list that every racer has to have on them, or they could get a 30-minute penalty. So all that mandatory gear is in my pack. So not only are we climbing today, we're testing the gear. This is a gear check, especially in this wet weather. I haven't ran in colder weather in a while, and I kind of want to get the temperatures down. Right now it's probably about 52, 51 degrees out here with no wind, which is not common as far as wind goes here in the gorge. So I'm not sure how many loops I'm going to do today. Minimum 2. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's get after it. All right, I reloaded, put on a long sleeve shirt, got these Bleg mitts on, got some crappy carbs in me, and we're gonna keep pushing. I got 1,700 feet on that last loop there, so I'm gonna just go straight up Hamilton Mountain. And I'm gonna go for 1,800 feet, turn around and come right back down.